BiBi catching a drone. What you watching, BiBi?
Hey guys! Oh, I'm just watching the Worldwide Drone Championship. It's finals. Looks like there are 2 winners so far. White Eagle and Rapid Bird.
Countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, let's watch. Come on, Bluebird. Keep up. Come on. Come on. Go, go, Bluebird. Hooray! We won! I like drones. Think I should buy one and take part in the contest.
Well, you should also learn how to use it, BiBi.
I'm sure I'll manage. Pretty sure it's not that hard. What do you think, guys?
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Let's see. Okay, which one should I pick? What about this one, guys? Do you think it's fast? And what about this one? Can it get high? I think this white one is probably the most durable.
I think you should pick the blue one. It's the fastest.
Well, okay. I'll take the fastest one. And I'll name it Blue Arrow. Huh? Okay, let's see. This handle in the middle is to control the vehicle. And this one is to add speed. Pretty easy. Let's fly. Go, go, Blue Arrow! Whoa! Oh no! Blue Arrow's gonna crash! One of the propellers broke!
We gotta do something, BiBi, before it's too late.
I know, but I can't control it. See? It just stuck there under the balcony. What do we do? Yeah, he don't listen to me. Just doesn't react. How do I bring it back down? What do you think, guys? Maybe I should poke it with a stick?
You're gonna break it, BiBi. I'm not sure that's the way to go.
Yep, you're right.
Maybe we should wait till the battery runs out.
No way. It's still got 4 hours of flight. I can't wait that long. What if it will fix itself somehow? Anyway, I don't want it to hurt anybody. There are people down here. We must come up with a better idea. Oh, I know. Let's put a blanket on it. It will get stuck and fall down, but it won't break. Oh, I should try it right away. Hooray! We did it! Turns out it's not so easy to control the drone. Well, there's a lot of work to be done now. Guys, if your parents buy you a drone, make sure you learn how to use it and try it out with your folks. The farther away from trees and wires, the better.
BiBi finally fixed his blue arrow and he's ready to fly again. Good luck, BiBi.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Sport bike. The road racing contest is over, and the winner is the black bike number 10. Sport bikes are very fast. They can go up to 400 kilometers per hour. To win a road racing contest, you must be super fast. To be super fast, you must have a great mechanic. And I think we know just the guy.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Hey there. How can I help?
And the sport bike told BiBi his story.
I see. To make you go fast, first we should get you a new motor. Would you help?
Hey guys, let's help BiBi get the new motor.
Great! Thanks!
Is this what we're looking for?
No, it's a headlight. We switch those on when it's dark.
How about a fuel tank?
Nope. Fuel tank is where we put the fuel. It's not a motor. Well, of course. That's what we've been looking for. This new motor should do the job. Hey, Bikey. We got you a brand new mighty motor. It's way better than your old one. Now let's see how it fits. Well, let's hook you up. All done. Now with my computer, I'm gonna check your new motor. It's gonna be fun. Come on, give me some juice. Good. 200 kmph. Not bad for first try. But that's not enough to win the race. Come on, come on. 400. That's so fast. Good job. I'm sure you'll win now. Looks like you're good and ready for the contest. But I think we should paint you up a bit to make you look more like a real fast spot superbike. But what color should we choose? Let's see. What if we paint you red?
What did you say? Green?
No. We get green by mixing yellow and a bit of blue. If you guys have watercolors, you can try it yourselves. But we don't need the green.
Hey BiBi, what's this color?
Come on. Everyone knows it's purple. Yay! This is the color we've been looking for. Now you're ready for the contest. Good luck!
And the race is almost over. Our contestants are making their last lap. I wonder who's gonna be the winner. Look guys, it's BiBi. came to support our friend number 8. Look at them go! Soon we'll find out who's gonna be the winner. And the winner is sport bike number 8. That's how BiBi helped number 8 come first and win the cup. Thanks for helping, guys, and thank you, BiBi. You're the best.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.